3 layers, 0 bleeds. And when the blue hits the clear, you are going to want to rewind this. Grenadine goes in first because it is the heaviest liquid in this build. Dense sugar sinks and stays. If you pour it last, it destroys everything above it. So the foundation is not just flavor, it is architecture. Now we pack the glass completely with ice, not to chill the drink. The ice is a physical breakwater. It slows every pour above it and protects the layers below. 3 ounces of tonic water poured gently over the ice. This is your spacer layer. Lighter than grenadine, heavier than what is coming. It creates the separation zone that makes the float possible. Before we pour the top layer, we combine the gin and the blue Curaçao in a separate tin. This is the move. Blending them together lowers the overall density of the mix, so it floats cleanly on the tonic instead of sinking straight through it. Slow and steady. Watch that electric blue sit right on top of the clear tonic, half a lemon wheel on the rim and a cherry on a pick. The yellow and red do not just look good. They frame the contrast of that red to blue gradient like a visual anchor. Red at the base, crystal clear in the middle. Sapphire blue on top. Save this one. The next build makes this look simple.